Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a critical topic that is often overlooked until it's too late: asset protection. Your assets, whether it's your home, retirement savings, investments, or business, are always at risk. From lawsuits and debt collectors to unexpected life events, financial challenges can strike when you least expect them. But here's the good news: you don't have to be a billionaire to protect what you've worked hard for. In fact, anyone can benefit from asset protection strategies. In this video, we'll explore 15 foundational things you must know about asset protection. Each step will provide actionable insights to help you safeguard your wealth and achieve financial security. Let's get started. This is Wealthvelocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. At its core, asset protection is the practice of legally safeguarding your wealth from potential claims, such as lawsuits, creditors, and unforeseen liabilities. It's about using tools like insurance, legal entities, and financial planning to create barriers around your assets. Without proper protection, a single lawsuit or financial misstep could wipe out years or decades of hard work. Asset protection ensures that your wealth is shielded from unnecessary risk. Educate yourself on the concept through reputable sources such as books, webinars, or financial advisors. Understand that asset protection is about prevention, not evasion. It's legal, proactive planning to minimize vulnerabilities. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you can implement asset protection strategies when trouble arises. The truth is, most effective strategies must be in place long before a problem occurs. If you try to transfer assets or create protections after facing a lawsuit or debt claim, courts may consider these actions fraudulent. Begin building your asset protection plan now, even if you don't perceive immediate risks. Schedule a consultation with an attorney to assess your current vulnerabilities and create a timeline for implementing protections. If you own a business, one of the easiest ways to protect your personal assets is to create a clear separation between your personal and business finances. Mixing the two makes you personally liable for business debts or lawsuits. Proper separation limits your personal liability and prevents creditors from going after your home, savings, or investments for business-related claims. Set up a limited liability company or LLC or corporation to shield personal assets. Open separate bank accounts for personal and business use. Maintain distinct financial records for each. Use legal entities for asset protection. Setting up legal entities like LLCs, trusts, or corporations creates a barrier between you and your assets, making it harder for creditors to seize them. By transferring ownership of assets to a legal entity, you reduce your personal exposure. For example, a properly structured LLC can protect rental properties from claims unrelated to your personal finances. For business protection, consider LLCs or corporations. For personal wealth, explore irrevocable trust to safeguard family assets. Consult a legal advisor to ensure compliance with local laws. Insurance, the first line of defense. Insurance is often the simplest and most effective way to protect your assets. From homeowners and auto insurance to liability and umbrella policies, insurance provides financial coverage for unexpected events. A robust insurance policy can cover damages or legal fees, saving your savings and assets from being drained. Review your existing policies for coverage gaps. Consider adding umbrella insurance for broad liability protection, which covers incidents beyond standard policies. Know your state's exemption laws. Every state has different rules about which assets are protected from creditors. For instance, in some states, retirement accounts, homesteads, or life insurance policies may be exempt from seizure. Understanding these laws helps you prioritize which assets to protect and how to structure your wealth. Research state laws on exemptions for assets like retirement accounts, personal property, and homesteads. If exemptions are limited, consider moving assets to better protected categories. Maximize retirement account contributions. Most retirement accounts, such as 401(k)s and IRAs, enjoy strong legal protections under federal and state laws. Creditors generally cannot access these funds. By maximizing contributions, you're not just saving for retirement, you're shielding that money from potential claims. Contribute the maximum allowed to your retirement accounts annually. Diversify investments within these accounts to ensure long-term growth. Leverage homestead exemptions. Homestead laws protect your primary residence from creditors, up to a certain dollar amount. The value of this exemption varies by state. Your home is one of your most valuable assets, and protecting it ensures long-term stability for your family. Check whether your state offers homestead exemptions. File the necessary paperwork to designate your property as a homestead if required. Consider offshore asset protection. For those with significant wealth, diversifying assets internationally can provide an additional layer of protection. Offshore trusts, accounts, or entities can shield assets from domestic lawsuits. Different jurisdictions have laws that make it harder for creditors to access your assets. Consult with an attorney experienced in international asset protection. Explore offshore jurisdictions like the Cayman Islands, Nevis, or the Cook Islands. Have an emergency fund. An emergency fund ensures that unexpected expenses don't force you to liquidate protected assets. This is especially critical for short-term financial stability. Having easily accessible cash reduces the likelihood of dipping into retirement accounts or selling assets under unfavorable conditions. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Review your estate plan regularly. Your estate plan plays a significant role in asset protection, especially if you want to ensure your wealth passes smoothly to the next generation. Without proper planning, your assets could be tied up in probate or subjected to unnecessary taxes and claims. Create or update your will and trusts. Designate beneficiaries for all accounts and policies. Avoid fraudulent transfers. Transferring assets to avoid creditors after a claim arises is considered fraudulent and can invalidate your asset protection plan. Courts can reverse these transfers, exposing your assets to risk. Plan asset protection strategies well before any legal or financial troubles arise. Document all transactions to prove they are legitimate. Understand the role of irrevocable trusts. An irrevocable trust allows you to transfer ownership of assets to a trust, effectively removing them from your estate. This provides robust protection against claims. Because you no longer own the assets, they are shielded from lawsuits and creditors. Work with a trust attorney to establish an irrevocable trust tailored to your needs. Work with professionals. Asset protection is a complex field requiring expertise in law, finance, and tax planning. Working with qualified professionals ensures your plan is effective and legally sound. A poorly executed plan can be challenged in court, leaving your assets exposed. Hire an attorney specializing in asset protection. Consult with a certified financial planner to integrate protection strategies into your overall wealth plan. And there you have it, 15 things you need to know about asset protection. By taking these steps, you can shield your hard-earned wealth and achieve financial peace of mind. And if you need our help, check out our asset protection services. The link is in the description below. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might benefit from this knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more money in your pocket.